Yo, what's going on, guys? So for the past year and a half, 2 years, I've always wanted to buy a wrecked vehicle or a wrecked bike and rebuild it and actually build something that I would be proud of and build it the way that I wanted to. So the other day I posted up my 99 Ducati for sale, and the guy threw an offer at me that I could not turn down. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I went from having a running bike that was kind of a turd to a bike that doesn't run, and it was a little bit mangled. This wasn't what it looked like when I first got it. I've had it for about a week, 2 weeks now. I'll post a picture of what it looked like when I got it. I stripped it down, took all the broken fairings off, took the front end apart. The broken parts are, it's got the handlebars, it's got the stator cover, the entire rear end, which is fucked, the gas tank, which is over here. Probably just gonna Bondo it and reuse it. Yeah, that's about it right now. I just drained the oil, gonna slap some new oil in it. It didn't come with a battery or the cluster. I have the cluster inside, so once I change out this oil and switch out this cover, we're gonna see if it starts. All right, so after a few minutes of messing around with it, I got the stator cover off, if it even wants to come off. Son of a bitch. All right, there we go. So I got this stator cover off. The reason why I needed to replace this was because there's a hole down here, and as you can see right through it, and all the oil was leaking out of there. So I got the new one over here. When I opened this top part right here, all these parts fell out and they kind of just fell everywhere. So I got to figure out how those go in here, and then we're going to slap it back on. I got the new one on. I think I got everything in. I cleaned it all up. So all I got to do is get this wire right here. I got to get that in there and then slap it on and put the starter cover on, and hopefully I don't fuck that up. So pray for me and let's get to it. Alright, so there you go. We finally got it installed. It's got a clear plate on it with the GSX-R logo, so you can see everything that goes on in there. Would have had it done sooner, but my dumbass forgot to put this gasket on, so I had to take everything apart and put it back on. So next, what I'm gonna do, I got the oil drain bolt. I got it back in. I'm gonna put the new oil filter in, and then hook up the battery and the cluster and see if we can get this thing started. Alright, so I already tried this off camera because my phone died, but I just charged it and I figured I wanted to show you guys. So I got my little opposable handle here, and let's see if it'll start. Yeah, this thing is absolutely fucked. The wiring, there's parts of it that are completely ripped off. There's plugins that I don't know where they go. They go to some part on the rear end. So I figured I might as well just order a whole new wiring kit for this thing and just either cut off parts or just rewire the whole thing, because everything on here it's fine. So that's probably gonna be a wrap. I'm gonna try to order everything to complete the bike, try to get it in next week. So hopefully we'll have a video by then. So until then, we'll see you guys later.